Good morning. Dedicating some time here on Juneteenth to say happy Father's Day. I'd like to list off some very special shout out names of godly men who've helped me to take lift offs. A list off for my lift offs in my lifetime. Men that I've very much looked up to and adored for having great godliness in their character. Whether knowing them through their writings, personally, or just virtually. And here's the list. Of course, number one on the list is Jesus. Number two, Bernard, David, Darnell, Jamal, James, Edwin, Cameron, Thomas, Larry, Alan, John, Donnie, Glenn, Ray, Daniel, Charles, Robert, Jonathan, Jason, Joel, Sean, Timothy, Michael, Billy, Terry, Manasseh, Noel, Ezio, Corey, Logan, the unknown captain from Truth Unedited, and Jesse. You know that I wish I had Jesse's girl. You know I want Jesse's girl. Why can't I find a woman like that? Like Jesse's girl. Let me stop playing. One of those names on that list took my black card from me years ago. I don't know if he's ever going to give it back to me because I like light rock songs. So we'll see. I'm going to have to go make a plea. Can I get my black card back, please? My black card got taken long before Kanye's and got taken years ago. Okay, let me stop playing. Get back on track. I like to have some time to give some special shout outs to, of course, the Lord Jesus for teaching me that I can be one with the Father. Special shout out to David for reminding me that I can encourage myself in the Lord and giving me some methods in how to do that. You can encourage yourself in the Lord, folks. Did you know that? And you can be one with the Father. I also learned from Jamal years ago, which has been very helpful in me save a lot of time in my relationships, that you don't let the enemy run his entire game on you once you realize that their behavior aren't beneficial for you being successful in life. And the way that Jamal told us this story to make his point is that he told a story about basketball scrimmaging uh, in hopes of making a team when he was younger, and he was trying out with one of his friends. Uh, the friend didn't make the cut. The coach didn't select him during the scrimmaging. And on the way home, walking with Jamal, he was very, very upset about not making the cut. And so Jamal gave him the advice. He said, "Man, I don't know why you didn't make the team." He said, "You need to go back and talk to the coach and find out from the coach why you didn't make the team." So the young man did that, and the coach replied to the young man, "You just dropped the ball too many times. That's why I didn't select you, young man." So, in making that point right there, Jamal turns to the audience and says, "Ladies, if the man is dropping the ball too many times, cut him." So we got the point from the analogy, and so that is my parting nugget for men and women uh, to save time in your relationship so that uh, a lot of damage isn't done to your forward progress. Uh, don't let the enemy run his entire game or her entire game. And number two, uh, swiftly, if you see that people are dropping the ball too many times in uh, your partnership, you do have the option to cut them. So thank you for letting me wish you all a happy Father's Day. Enjoy the rest of your day. Have a great week ahead of you, and have a wonderful entire summer.